A moderate magnitude 4.2 earthquake hit 36 kilometers, 23 miles, away from Corum, Turkey, around noon of Monday, May 12, 2025 at 12:26 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT +3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 19 kilometers, 12 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, EMSC after 8 minutes. The earthquake occurred 3 minutes after a magnitude 4.4 earthquake had hit on Monday, May 12, 2025, at 12:23 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT +3. In 0.7 kilometers, 0.4 miles, distance to the south. Data source from volcano discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.